Hi everyone, this is a video about this toaster that the brand name is Magimix. As you see, it is in here, and I'm trying to fix this because the plunger doesn't stay down, and this lever doesn't stay down. And the reason that I'm doing this video is because this toaster is very expensive, and it's worth an attempt to fix it because it's very well made. And if you look at the construction of this unit here, you can see for the lever to go down it has, and for the safety, just for my viewer, the mains is out, so don't freak out. I'm not going to electrocute myself. And a disclaimer here should be, please do not attempt anything like this at home, and I'm not trying to encourage anyone to do this, and I'm just trying to show you that how I fix this. I am reasonably capable of handling electricity, and somehow I don't encourage you to do or handle anything of this sort. But most of these units, they have the same problem, and you can sort it out. But first of all, look at the quality of this unit. First of all, this piece is metal, all is metal and glass. It has double glazed door, and it has been designed by a Porsche, and is really well made. And look at these two metal rods that is going down up to down there, just to direct the accurate positioning of this lever that is going down. Is like a printer. Printers are using the same method to move the heads and so on. And as I mentioned again, I have to say that the only reason that I'm doing this is because this is a very well made and worth a try to fix it rather than chuck it in the bin. And this unit is really heavy, and it doesn't have any elements at all in here. It just does this by lighting up a dual halogen bulbs on each side. One is in here and the other one is at the opposite side, and another there it has some controls over here. During the life of this, some of the prints has vanished, but it still is working. It has a lever here that it clicks very nicely, stop, toast, and the bucket bread, and then the toast, and then defrosting and keep warm as well. So this is a very well made item. And on the other side, it all the electricity, all the connectors for the halogen bulbs, they are here. So there are loads of work and construction going into this, and it's very well made. So this one's the problem that is it has, oh, another things, and it has double glazed door on each side, that there is a lever down here. If you let me shine the light here, I show you down there, you can see that. And if you press that to one side, is going to open this door. Let me just open it. And now it's opened, and you can go there and clean. You can even clean the double glazed glass and somehow get rid of the crumbs down there, and then you close it. And there are two screws down here and down there, extra screws to hold these two plastic, one on each side, and there is another one, and these two screws. one here, one there for each plate of plastic on each side, so you can easily access them and open it and do whatever fixing that it requires. And then when you close it, it just stays in place, or if it's not, you can push that lever down there in place. And if you look at this, is all quality, the metal and the components that has been used to, let me just go to the minimum of this torch. Yeah, and if you look at all the components down there, they are really well made and well designed. I tried to clean this properly as much as I could, but still there are some dust down there, and as you know, I'm a little bit OCD, so I have to finish those cleaning. But before that, I have to show you the problem that it has. First, I'm putting it in the mains, and then we are going to talk more. Now it's connected, and from now on I have to be careful where I touch and show you. And as you see, if I push this down, it doesn't stay down. And if you're lucky, sometimes there is a little bit of piece of breadcrumb is stuck into that. Let me just take it out of the mains and I show you is out, so I am safe. So in this you have 4 plates of electricity that when this one is going down, it pushes them to make contact. Each 2, they are making contact on each side. So when some piece of crumb going between them, it avoids them to make contact, and there is a solenoid down there that is telling this lever to stay down. And let me just shine a light there. I have to be careful because the light is a little bit overpowering. Okay, let me just turn it a little bit to the other side. And as you see, this lever down here, when you plunge it down, is going to make contact with this down here. As you see, this one is staying in place while the solenoid is just grabbing it by taking command from these electricity contacts to just hold that in place and lock this lever down here in place. So now I'm going to see how it's going to be fixed, and when it's fixed, I'm going to tell you how it happened or if I was successful. But for the time being, I have to put it back in mains again. So I have to be again careful, and I turn it on now, and let me just check first. Yes, I think I was a little bit lucky. There was some pieces of crumb stuck in the middle of the contacts there, and now let's see how it works and it stays in place. And just to show you a little bit about this halogen bulbs that it has one there, you can see maybe there, that white one, and it's starting to get red. That there is exactly another one down here that you are seeing it from here, that is toasting your bread without the needs of elements anyhow before it's getting hot, you know, because I have to handle it immediately after. Anyhow, this is how it works, and again I have to reiterate that if you are not capable of handling any sort of electricity, please, please, please do not attempt this at home. So this is my disclaimer, and I hope this video was entertaining for you. So until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time. I forgot to mention, sorry about that, I forgot to mention that this unit, as I mentioned it before, is designed by Porsche, and the price of this unit varies from £150 up to £200, brand new, but if you want to buy a second hand, it's about £80 up to £120 in good shape. That's all that I forgot, and I apologize for that. And again, I have to say, I hope you enjoy my video. Take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.